Greetings from the Freedom Wellbeing Institute. My name is Susan Stevenson, and I would like to welcome you to this meditation for confidence. The purpose of this meditation is to focus on your belief in yourself. This is what gives you confidence, and to empower you to develop and nurture your confidence as you move through your life. At the end of this meditation, you may choose to drift off to sleep or return to your day. As Eleanor Roosevelt, wife of a US president, said, "No one can put you down without your giving them permission." I invite you now to sit or lie in a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. You may choose to support your head with a pillow or place a pillow under your knees. I encourage you now to drop your gaze or close your eyes and turn your focus to your breath. Breathe in through your nose or mouth, regularly in and then out. Notice how the air you breathe out has been warmed by your body. Focus on moving smoothly from breathing in to breathing out. Confidence is a belief in oneself and your ability to meet life's challenges and to succeed. We all arrive into the world with this belief. Unfortunately for some of us, our life experiences can cause us to begin to question our belief in ourselves and our abilities. Now begin to notice the temperature of the air being drawn in through your nose or mouth. Is it cool when it enters and warm when it leaves? Or is it warm when it enters and warm when it leaves? Notice your breath is coming in to bring oxygen to your cells, to nourish and maintain you. You then feel yourself as you breathe out, pushing away any feelings of doubt about you and your abilities that you may be experiencing. Begin now to draw in and fill your lungs when you breathe in. Then fully and completely breathe out all the breath that your body no longer requires. Repeat drawing in these large full breaths and then fully breathe them out. Send your body the message that you are calm, that you have time. Feeling confident is about sitting in your own corner in the boxing ring of life and firmly believing in and supporting yourself. You leave the trash talking and negative comments about you to others. You are your own best friend, and you frequently tally up, recognize, and celebrate the achievements your abilities bring. Whether it is your qualities as a friend, sister, brother, employer, neighbour, or parent, you kindly recognize what you bring to your own and other people's lives. Your judgments of yourself are kind and real. You have an inner knowledge that you are capable and worthy of all that others are. As you move through your life, you are conscious of gathering more capabilities and qualities like a vintage bottle of wine. Now, as you lie and focus again on your breathing, You notice self-doubts entering your mind in some settings, with some people, or when facing some challenges. And you notice that these doubts challenge your sense of confidence. As each arises, picture them like tennis balls being thrown at you in a game. To defend your sense of confidence, you observe and then you calmly hit them right back with topspin. You notice as you defend and return these balls or doubts or judgments that your sense of confidence grows. You realize it is your own belief in yourself that upholds and nurtures your confidence, and not just those of other people around you. You notice your breath now. It is regular, steady, and strong. You know too that, like your breath, believing in and supporting your confidence is normal and natural. It is not selfish or unrealistic. You live in you and your life, and you know better than anyone the many abilities that you have that justify you having confidence in yourself. Now you return again to your breath and you place your hands on your lower ribs. You can feel the air coming in through your nose, moving to your chest, widening your stomach, and then you sense this little pause before your body automatically breathes out all the air in the opposite order. You can feel it leaving your stomach, your chest, and then your nose or mouth. Again, you notice there's a little pause after you fully expel your breath. As you breathe, you realize this meditation supports your confidence, and in turn it is supporting your universal well-being and your ability to look after it. Allowing doubts about our abilities and value to grow in our thoughts and feelings only reduces our confidence to live and achieve the lives we aspire to. Confidence helps us to cope with our lives, to feel motivated and happy. Now consciously slow your breath. See if you can breathe out more slowly than you breathe in. Notice that this type of breathing gives you a feeling of being composed and control and calm. You can always slow your breath to compose and give yourself time to contemplate a response or plan of action. You can also use the slowing of your breath to support you to delay or select another time or place in which to respond to challenges or situations that arise. Knowing you can respond in different ways can support you to feel confident. Begin now to notice how each part of your body feels in different situations and with different people. Are the muscles in your face tense? Let them relax and soften. Are your neck muscles tight and your shoulders lifted? Let them drop and relax. Are your arms and hands or fingers tense and clenched? Release them and let them just simply lie by your side. Does your chest or stomach feel tight or upset? Consciously release these muscles and simply breathe away these feelings that upset or hold tension in your body. When you release tension and focus on giving these muscles rest, you allow yourself to gather energy. Your feelings of self-doubt will be replaced by calmness and a sense of surety. Finally, become conscious of the surface supporting you. It is steady. It is still and holding you. Just like that surface, your confidence can be still and steady and constant. Just as the surface beneath you supports your body, your confidence supports your dreams, supports your ambitions, supports your aspirations, and supports your well-being. You might like to consider an object you could carry or wear, which might remind you to feel supported, grounded, and remember, you have every reason to be confident. Having an item with you that you can touch or wear at any point in time will remind you that you are deserving of this confident feeling. Now, breathe slowly. Give yourself time to fully and luxuriously exhale. You feel calm and composed, certain and confident. You now stretch out your arms and legs into a powerful hero pose. It feels strong. You relax and give in to caring for yourself, and you bathe in the feeling of confidence. If you would like to drift off to sleep, simply stop this meditation now. And if you would like to return to your day, take up your hero pose again, and then gradually, slowly sit up from it. Open your eyes, look at the space around you, and gradually get up and return to your day, confident and calm. Enjoy your sleep or day.